Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add a blog post to your website on Weebly. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing I would recommend you do if you are starting a blog on Weebly, go over into settings, go into blog, check out if everything is in accordance with your wishes right over here, and then go back to general and choose blog as your site category. Once you make any necessary changes, this should change by itself, but if not, just click save and then go back into build. Now, what we're going to do, not go into build, but go into pages rather, and this is what it's going to look like. It'll give you a list of all your pages and this plus right next to the page's title. Then just click on the plus and we're going to select a blog page. Name it to whatever you want. I'll name it blog 1, and I'm going to choose the header type as header, visibility as public, and I'm going to check the SEO settings. You can change anything you want here. I'm not going to do anything else, but as you can see, you can set the author over here. So for example, me, you can write something about yourself. I don't know. I'll just type in, I don't know. You can set up archives categories, the RSS feed as well. And what you can do, click here to add a new post. And as you can see, you can set up a title it test. You can drag elements there. I'm going to drag over some text, write down test. And once you're done, you can click save, and you can also post it as well. Just click on the post again, click post. And as you can see, it's been added to the blog page, but it's not yet live, and I will need to publish my site if I want it to go live, but I won't publish my site just yet. But that is in essence how you add posts to your blog page, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.